Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you an affordable way to give your Ram that aggressive sound that every truck should have with some help from Flowmaster. We've recently done a lot of work to our 2015 Ram and completely changed the look, but it still has the factory exhaust, so today we're going to upgrade it and make it sound as good as it looks. This is Flowmaster's dual outlet OUTLAW muffler for the 2009 to 18 Ram with the 5.7 liter Hemi. It features a 3-inch stainless steel inlet pipe with their OUTLAW baffled muffler and dual 2¼ inch outlets. It will allow you to replace just the factory muffler to give you that killer sound without killing the bank. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/2-inch ratchet, 15mm socket, an extension, and an exhaust hanger removal tool. Alright, as you can see, we're underneath the truck. You do not need a lift to do this install. You can do this right on the driveway. We just have it up in the air to show you better. The first thing we're going to do is loosen up this clamp on the front of the muffler with a 15mm socket. It is a good idea to spray all the clamps and hangers with some penetrated lubricant before you start, just to make this go a little bit easier for you. Move on to the 2 clamps for the tailpipes. The tailpipes need to be removed for this installation, so we're going to remove them from their rubber hangers. Then you can pull the tailpipe out of the muffler. The driver's side tailpipe has 2 sets of rubber hangers. Then it can be removed too. Disconnect the muffler from all of its rubber hangers. Remove the rubber hangers on the muffler. Get the 3rd hanger and the muffler should come right off. If you still have rubber hangers on the muffler, take them off and transfer them back onto the truck. Place this rubber hanger back onto the front pipe if you did remove it, then install the provided 3-inch clamp onto the front pipe and slide on the muffler. There is a notch on top of the front pipe up here that you have to line up with the muffler. If you don't line up that notch, it will not slide all the way up. Line up the 2 muffler hangers. Place the 2 clamps on the outlet of the muffler. Then move on to installing the tailpipes. Tighten up all the clamps with a 15mm socket. And our install's finished. Okay, we got the Flowmaster Outlaw muffler installed on our 2015 Ram, and it made it sound really good for not breaking the bank. We also throw on these Flowmaster black tips to complement the sound. I'd say give yourself about an hour to do this install, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. Hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.